Hello everyone! Welcome to Tenorshare channel. With TikTok banned in the United States, a new app has stolen the limelight Rednote. In this video, I will show you how to create your Rednote account and solve common problems, such as not receiving the verification code or being stuck on the loading screen. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download and start registering a Rednote account. First, search for Rednote from your app store. Click to download Rednote app. Wait for the download to complete. Open it and enter the registration page. You can register with your phone number or Apple ID. If your mobile number does not receive the verification code, we can first choose Apple ID registration. Enter your Apple ID to complete the registration. Okay, you see? This way you can easily enter the Rednote app. You can watch anything you want in it. Note: if you want to leave comments, you still need to bind your mobile phone number. Just enter your phone number and enter the corresponding verification code. After the binding is successful, you can leave comments. If you encounter language barriers when using Rednote for some Chinese posts, I recommend you to use tenorshare Knob, which is an AI translation software. If you are interested, you can download it through the link below the video. Step 2. Reasons why Rednote can't be used. If you don't receive a verification code or get stuck on the loading page after registering with your mobile phone number, don't worry. If you can't receive a verification code, you can follow the following methods to solve it. 1. Check if you entered your phone number correctly. 2. Try to change VPN or Wi-Fi. Remember that some delays are normal. Wait 5-10 minutes and try again. Stuck on the loading screen? You can solve it as follows. 1. Reinstall Rednote. This may be a bug in the app. 2. Turn on and off the airplane mode and re-enter Rednote. I believe this will help you solve these problems. After successfully creating a Rednote account, everything is ready. Start exploring great content, sharing your own posts, and connecting with people from all over the world. Rednote has a lot to offer. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and have a great journey on Rednote.